It's making my lips look ashy. Pack it up. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Kiana here, and I'm back again with another Boxycharm unboxing. This month's theme is Flourish, and this is what's in the box. Alright, as you guys already know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. The base box, which is what I just showed you, is 5 full price items for $25 a month. The premium box is 6 full price items for only $10 more, which is $35 a month. And then the luxe box is 8 full price items for additional $25 on top of the $35 a month. Again, I received these boxes for free. This box was gifted to me by Boxycharm. And let's get right into this video. So there are some items that I am going to try on and some items I won't try on, only because my skin is going through a breakout right now, and my skin is very sensitive. So there's some items that I already tried, and then I just put it back neatly into the box just for the purpose of this video, because I want to look for new things to add to my skincare routine because I'm going through a breakout. So I'm very, very grateful for these boxes when they do come with skincare stuff, because I'm literally obsessed. Trying to stay away from makeup only because like we're wearing a mask and I'm not going anywhere. So next thing that's in this box is the Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. So it is supposed to, I'm just gonna read from this card here. It's supposed to detoxify, revitalize skin overnight, a daily dose of pollution and blue light from electronic devices that accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin barrier while you sleep. Let's just take this out the box. I did try this for a couple of days, and also first, this is the packaging. And you can open it up. I'm not gonna try it on because this is for overnight, but you would just pump this like this, and then it will come up right here, which I think is pretty cool. I'm just gonna cover this up. The consistency is very thick. I tried this for a couple of days and it was just okay. I definitely wouldn't buy this myself, especially for the price. This bad boy is $74. I didn't notice a huge difference. I think the packaging is a little bit deceiving. The pump is cute and all, but the packaging is deceiving. There's not that much that's in this jar for $74. So I would recommend, I say if you're on a budget like me, because I'm in school, I would say go just buy a regular moisturizer, because sis, don't waste your coins on this. Just don't. But just to let you know the benefits, it is good for dullness, for any uneven skin texture, and for any fine lines. So that's that. What's in the box is the Beekman 1802 Dewy Eye Illuminating and Depuffing Eye Serum. So it says, say goodbye to fatigue and awaken tired eyes with a highly concentrated, clinically proven eye serum, a powerful blend of actives and goat milk. Oh, that's different. And quickly absorbs into skin for hydrating, revitalizing, that illuminates eyes while helping to fight the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Again, I'm not trying this on. This is more for the AM, and it's mid-afternoon right now, and I think it's like 6 o'clock that I'm recording this video. This is this tiny bottle. I did use it the other morning, and it is 0.5 fluid ounces, very tiny, and the price of this is $42. I'm going to show you the consistency, and I'm going to show you that it doesn't dry as quickly as it says. Okay, I don't like it. It smells horrible. It's supposed to be fragrance free, but this thing stinks. But for the purpose of this video, I'm putting it on, and then I will show you that it doesn't dry quickly. It takes about 2 minutes. I didn't really like time it or so, but I think like approximately 2 minutes it takes to dry, and it's sticky. So I'm not a fan. It's a no for me. I want to say this is not my favorite box. Like, I didn't find like too many great products in here. I mean, it's only 5, but I didn't find a lot of products that I was like, wow, like, yes, I can keep this, I can use this again, you know? There was only like maybe 1 or 2. But anyway, so the benefits, cools and awakens the tired eyes and the dull skin. Other benefits include fighting dark circles and puffiness underneath the eyes. It's best used in the AM. Supposed to lift and smooth out fine wrinkles. It also has like ingredients such as aloe, cucumber, and goat milk, as I mentioned. So yeah, look at this. Still not dry yet. But we're gonna go into the next product that's in the box, and I'm gonna show you that this still hasn't dried yet. This Skin Ink, my daily dose of Uplift. This may become my holy grail. I'm not saying it is, but it might become, because of all the ingredients that's in here. Like, I don't know, I buy the ordinary products, so I have like a serum for each little thing, but this is like a cocktail. What about this? It's a skin reviving serum with encapsulated collagen, CoQ10, hyaluronic acid. It delivers an anti-aging power punch, giving you smoother, firmer, and younger looking skin. So, like I said, this might become my holy grail because it has all those serums in it. And instead of using like 5 different serums, this little cocktail, daily dose cocktail, it has a good amount of serums all in one, and it's just so cute. It made my skin feel so soft, so hydrated, and not oily at all. So I love this so far. The only thing with this is the price. I don't know if I'd buy this again unless like I see it work wonders. I'm gonna give it about a month and then maybe I'll buy it again, but it's $65, which is kind of pricey. Crossing my fingers with this one. Hopefully it does wonders, and yes. And if it does wonders, then I will throw down another $65 because like, I want good skin. I want my skin to be glowing, you know? Who doesn't? Back to the Beekman 1802. So it's kind of dry, kind of not. I don't know if you can see. Like, it's still wet here. And it's just sticky. It's been like 2 minutes or more. There's no way. I didn't even put that much. A little goes a long way, and I didn't even put that much. But the next item in the box I'm actually going to try on, and it's the Shadow Flip. It is a liquid eyeshadow that is shade shifting, color flipping pigment. It creates an instant multi-chrome effect on the lids. It is just a simple one-step multi-tonal look, and color appears to change as light reflects off the contours of the eyelid and the eye crease. And the price of this is $20. So let's see. I already have my eyeliner on, but what I was thinking is like putting it over my eyeliner. I'm not sure. I'm gonna just do a swatch for you guys. Ooh. This is a swatch. I don't know. For me, it looks like in this lighting right here, like when I'm looking at it, it looks red. But if you kind of like tilt it a bit, it looks like greenish bronze. I don't know if you guys see that either. Because when I put it down, it looks green, bronze. But when I put it up, it looks, against the light, it looks red. Like against my ring light, it looks red. I think if it had a finer tip, it would have worked out better. Like the idea that I had in my mind, it would have worked out better, but it doesn't look horrible. It just filling the lid, honestly. I like it. It's different. It gives it a kind of like bronze but illuminating kind of look. It's very simple what I did. At first I was just going to just do it over the eyeliner, but then I decided to go for the whole lid because why not? I just felt like being a little extra. And it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad at all. It's very simple, to the point. Like, I like this. It's very easy to use, simple application. It's just like a one-step sweep, like just boom, boom, done. And that's another thing I like about these Boxycharm boxes, because you get to try different brands that you've never tried before, and items that I would have never thought to like pick up in the store, because this is so out of my comfort zone. And like seeing this, I'm like, oh my god, what do I do with this? Like, you saw how it was, right? I was gonna do something real simple, and then I was like, hey, why the hell not? Just go all in, right? So now on to the last product. Ooh, something for the lips. I always love lip balms. I always have something for my lips on me. So this is a 2-in-1 lipstick and lip balm. It's a Sophia and Mabelle Hydrating Hybrid. This is in the color Topless. It's packed with vitamin E to keep those lips silky smooth, but with full coverage of satin finish lipstick. Bring this baby with you anywhere when you're in need of moisture and a pop of color. So this is how Topless looks. I love this nude color. I love nudes, like anything nude I love. And to swatch. I just hope, my only hope is that it doesn't make my lips look ashy. It's making my lips look ashy. Oh my god, I hate it when you know what, pack it up. I was so in love, and then ew, and it does this. All right, it doesn't feel hydrating. It feels dry as hell. And there's no smell to it. Let me pat this on. Those of you that know me know what I'm about to do. I'm about to throw some lip gloss right on top of this, because lip gloss makes everything look better. Just always. Looks 10 times better, but I would definitely not use this by itself. It doesn't feel hydrating at all. And it made my lips look ashy. So certain nudes are not for my skin tone, obviously, or people who have the same skin tone as me. So, and sometimes we lose, you know, not saying that people shouldn't go. Oh, and on top of that, it goes on very thick. Like, it doesn't glide on, like, you know, smooth like how a lip balm would. And it feels dry. It's not sticky, but dry. So nope. All right, y'all, so we reached the end of this video. So if you want to see more videos like these, remember to hit the notification bell and hit that subscribe button down below. There'll be a new video next month for June's box, so stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for another video on something nursing related. I think I'm gonna do a semester update because I just finished MedSurg 1 and Farm 1. So definitely hit the like button, comment section below if you guys want to see that, because then I will actually like sit down and record, force myself to record. It's just been so busy, but thank you guys for sticking with me, helping me get so close to 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost there. We're almost there. Thank you guys all for your support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.